Today important question is hybridization from third chapter chemical bonding. The question is, what do you understand by hybridization? Explain different type of hybridization involving s and p orbitals. Now we have to see definition. What is an hybridization? The process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of an atom having nearly same energy to reproduce same number of identical new orbitals is called as hybridization. Those orbitals formed are called as hybrid orbitals. There are three types of hybridizations involving by the involvement of s and p orbitals. They are sp, sp2 and sp3 hybrid orbitals. In this one, the first one is sp hybridization. Here sp hybridization means the intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital of an atom to form two sp hybrid orbitals is called sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, each sp hybrid orbital possesses 50% of s character and 50% of p character. Two sp hybrid orbitals are arranged in linear geometry or linear shape with an angle of 180 degrees. The intermixing of s orbital is contained spherical shape and the p orbital is contained dumbbell shape. Both are they have intermixing, they forming the two sp hybrid orbitals. Here the sp hybridization is explained by the taking of an example is that is structure of BeCl2. In BeCl2 molecule, the central atom is beryllium. Beryllium atomic number is 4. As per the writing the electronic configuration, the ground state configuration is 1s2 2p0. In excited state configuration is 1s2 2p1. Here in excited state, the intermixing of one s orbital and the intermixing of one p orbital, they forming the sp hybridization. Beryllium undergo sp hybridization and form two sp hybrid orbitals. These two sp hybrid orbitals overlap with the p orbital of two chlorine atoms and form two sp p sigma bonds. So the shape of BeCl2 is linear and the bond angle is 180 degrees. This is the shape about the structure of BeCl2. The next hybridization is sp2 hybridization. Here sp2 hybridization means the intermixing of one s orbital and two p orbitals of an atom to form three sp2 hybrid orbitals is called sp2 hybridization. Each sp2 hybrid orbitals possess 33.33% of s character and 66.66% of p character. The three sp2 hybrid orbitals are arranged in trigonal planar geometry with an angle of 120 degrees. Here the intermixing of an s orbital and two p orbitals, they forming three hybrid orbitals of sp2. The sp2 hybridization is explained by the taking the example of BeCl3. In BeCl3 molecule, the central atom is boron. As per the atomic number 5, the ground state electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p1 and the excited state configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Here the intermixing of one s orbital and two p orbitals, they forming sp2 hybridization. Boron undergo sp2 hybridization and form three sp2 hybrid orbitals. These three sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with p orbitals of three chlorine atoms to form three sp2 p sigma bonds. The shape of BeCl3 is trigonal planar and the bond angle is 120 degrees. The structure of BeCl3, the three sp2 hybrid orbital is overlapping with three chlorine atoms. They are forming the trigonal planar structures with a bond angle 120 degrees. The next one, sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means the intermixing of one s orbital and three p orbitals of an atom to form four sp3 hybrid orbitals is called sp3 hybridization. Each sp3 hybrid orbital possesses 25% of s character and 75% of p character. The four sp3 hybrid orbitals are arranged in tetrahedral geometry with an angle of 109 degrees 28 minutes. Here the s orbital and 3 p orbitals intermixing with each other, they forming 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. And here the sp3 hybridization is explained by, you have to taking the one example, that is in methane. The formula is CH4. In CH4 molecule, the central atom is carbon. As per the atomic number 6, the ground state electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2 2s2 2p2. In excited state, electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1 2p3. Here the intermixing of 1 s orbital 3 p orbital, they forming the 4 sp3 hybridization. The second point, 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals of carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization and form 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. These 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals of carbon having unpaired electrons overlaps with s orbitals of 4 hydrogen atoms to form 4 sp3s sigma bonds. The shape of CH4 is tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. The shape of sp3 hybridization, the intermixing of 4 hybrid orbital, the intermixing with 4 hydrogen molecule, they forming the tetrahedral structure with the bond angle 109 degrees 28 minutes.